We laid new kitchen floor in here. The homeowner had done it before with the same thing that's in this bathroom, and this is what it looked like too. Every piece almost was not even together. That's how the whole floor was. You could just grab any piece and pick it up, and he had us leave this in here for a while. I don't know why he wouldn't just done it all, but here's our new floor. New floor, new base shoe. Got a little bit of one more piece of flooring to do, and a little bit more base shoe, and some caulking, and we'll have a new floor.